The sound is a vibration that travels through any medium to get audible. The mediums are air, liquid or any solid state. Without any mediums, sound cannot be audible. Hello friends, welcome to Factpedia. Today in this video, I will make you hear the sound of different planets present in the universe. Now you can think that there is no medium in universe, so how is it possible to hear the planet sound? Due to advanced science and technology, the frequency readings taken from universe is converted into audio. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. To observe the video nicely, please do use earphones. Number 1. Mercury. Number 2. Venus. Number 3. Earth. Number 4. Mars. Number 5. Jupiter. Number 6. Saturn. Number 7. Uranus. Number 8. Neptune. Number 9. Pluto. Number 10. Sun. Number 11. Moon. Number 12. Milky Way. Please do comment which was your favorite sound, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.